If you're like me, it can be a challenge just to keep track of your Nintendo Switch cartridges. But just you wait, I have a solution for you. And sure, although it is a definite possibility to keep your cartridges in something like this right here, the truth is, you have to continuously pull out these games, plug them into the Switch, and go back and forth, right? But this is where I got your back. This here is the Switch Game Card Reader, and this is by Screwak. I'm just assuming that's how you pronounce that. So this in essence does two things, and I'm going to show you exactly what it is. Stay tuned, here we go. Now, you could do one of two things, and here it is. On the top layer right here, you can put in the game cartridges that you want to play. So you can easily switch between 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now, the bottom is strictly for storage. And again, it's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so with all the card slots filled up, this is the key component to really get us going. So this right here goes in just like a game, right into the top of your Switch, right? So this slot right here. At the same time, it also comes with a small USB-C to USB-A cable. Okay, so first things first, let's go ahead and put this guy into the Switch. I just want to show you guys really quick. All right, so with that, I'm gonna go ahead and click it right into there. And then of course you have these notches, right? Well, they slide right into the back of the docking of the Switch, or the dock of the Switch. So I'm gonna go ahead and slide this in, okay, so it doesn't fall off. Then the next part to this is put in this USB-C cable, right? And put it right into the back of the slot right here, as so. So let me go ahead and put that in now. Okay, so this will power up this separate dock here. So essentially now your Switch looks like a beefed up super machine, right? Okay, so let's go ahead and turn on the Switch here. Let me go ahead and turn it on. What's gonna end up happening is once it connects, here comes up the light. Once the light comes up, of course, obviously if you have the TV off, if it's not connected, then you'll see the screen from the Switch. Now, every single one of these right here, this 1, 2, 3, and 4, these game slots right here is actually tied to this button. So let's go ahead and go into the console. All right, and then I'm gonna press this button here. So I'm gonna press this, it's gonna change color, and then it's gonna go to a different game. So as you can see, that's Animal Crossing. Now let's go ahead and press it again. Okay, Sonic Frontiers. I'm gonna press it again. Contra, see, and they're all cartridges. So the cool thing about this is that this also changes color with different games. So as I press it, it changes color. As I press it again, it changes color. And then as you can see, it'll just keep on doing that really nicely. So definitely helping you out without having to pull out these cartridges all the single time, right? At least 4 of them. Now, so for me, this is definitely a win-win situation. It helps me to keep my cartridges from being lost. And for you, it could do the same thing. So if you're interested in this guy specifically, I'll have that in the link down below. Make sure to rate the M Vega style.